Okay, sports fans, tonight we're going to have another unboxing of a tank. But unlike, as we've done a couple tanks in the past, I do still have my wonderful, this is an old Panther G tank I've had. I don't know if it's a G or an H, to tell you the truth, but I've had this tank for a long time. It's one of those Century 21 models I started buying several years ago, and it's a great little tank. It's a beautiful tank. Like I said, it's one of the 6 World War II tanks I have and I cherish, and this is one of those. What I have tonight is the Heng Long RC version of this tank. So why don't we go ahead and unbox a German Panther G. So what we have on the table tonight is a Heng Long, hopefully 6.0 Panther G tank. There we go, Heng Long German Panther Type G. That's going to be a fun tank. Shouldn't be a very small tank. These are considered heavy tanks in World War II, so this ought to be a pretty good sized tank. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Great balls of fire.
This son bitch don't want to come out. There. The birthing process has been complete. Brand new baby born Heng Long Panther G tank. There's the thing. There's the destructions. There's the target and some rope things and accessories. I don't know. The 6mm Powerball. We officially got 8 billion of these now. Here's the charger. Oh, and there's the Apple. Gotta have the Apple. We got the standard 1800 amp hour battery. Has a big warning label on it. Here's the Gizmo Cook, or otherwise known as a remote control. My first impressions are it's pretty cool. I love these. I've seen these on my Jag Panther, and those are familiar looking. In real life, these weren't very good wheels because the muds and stick and stuff used to get stuck between these and the real tanks, and they weren't the best. And because of that, these get stuck with wood chips and things more than I'd like them to have them done. So this was a cheap tank, meaning it's got plastic wheels, got plastic tracks, it's got plastic gearbox, but it is a 6.0. It's like $143, for a Panther 6.0. I think anything under 150 bucks is probably okay. Anyway, I just want you guys to know that this is just, pretty bare bones. But even bare bones is cool, Boy, sure, the suspension's so sitting high on that. That's weird. And there's the on and off switch down here. So let's see if we can see something flashing. Okay, look, we're flashing. On the end of my tank here, I got a busted Dumawaji. Been split, but I think I just fixed it. Huh. Look at that! It's supposed to be cooking smoke. Oh, here comes some. Anyway, sure. Those smokers make a lot of noise. I don't know why they're so damn noisy. Alright, so we're going to go like this. Turn that way. Turn that way. Move that and slow. Alright. Okay, it seems to be going. Okay, so we got this works, machine gun works. Yep, machine gun works. Wow, BB in it. Oh my gosh, that was dangerous. You saw me take it out of the box. The thing had a BB in it. Look at that. What if I'd aimed that at my grandkid or something? Or worse yet, at grandma. Let's turn this off. And the one thing I like to do is go get that other German Panther and just compare the two. All right, here's the side-by-side comparison. I paid about the same for these. I think I paid close to $200 for this one and 140 something, 150 for this one. So actually I paid more for the little one than I did for the big one. This is 20 years old though. Let's see when this one was made. This one was in 2000. This was born in the year 2000, so it's 20 years old. All right, so this is a brand new HengLong. Look at the difference in the sizes of them. I want to get a little bit closer if I can. This is what we call a 1/18th inch scale, meaning if you had to line up 18 of these in a row, that's how long a real one would be. And this one would take 16. So just a little bit bigger, but you can see that a little bit of scale makes a lot of difference. I'm signing off for now. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget Dot's Pretzels and Diet Mountain Dew. Breakfast of old crusty grandpas. And lunch and dinner. About a lot of me. Something like that. Lobotomy, battery lobotomy, or battery lobotomy. Not because I'm done, it's because I'm lazy. There's a big difference between dumb and lazy. Subscribe, damn it. Bye.